For this video, I'm going to show you how to place a screw assembly into your structure. So first thing we have to do is get a screw. Now notice that we have 6x32s and 8x32s. The 6x32s are the motor mount ones, so they're the little tiny brass ones. We got a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch long one. And then the 8x32s are the larger black screws that we use to put the structure together. We can use any of these. I'm going to use the 1/2 inch one. So I'm going to put 2 screws in this assembly. So I'm going to get one here, one here. Let's rotate this around. And let's rotate this one around. Okay. To do this, you have to use 1 mate and 2 tangents. So let's start by mating this surface of the screw to the piece of metal I want to attach it to. So I'm going to put that one right there. Apply that. And we'll get it kind of close. We'll do the same thing for this one. We'll mate this surface to the metal. And we'll get it close to where it needs to be. Now we need to orbit around and notice that the screw can move around. We don't want that, so we're going to have to use another constraint. So this time we're going to choose the tangent constraint. And we're going to get the threads and then just choose a line. The tangent constraint puts something that's circular next to something that's flat. Now it puts it right up against it, so we need to offset it. Offset it by 0.009. Now notice that it locks it in for a certain motion, but it can still move. So that's why we have to use 2 tangent constraints. And that locks that screw into place. All right, so let's do the second one. A quick shortcut you can do is you can just hit the enter key instead of clicking apply, and you can, if you know you want to do multiple constraints immediately, you can just do that. All right, now we're going to put a some sort of a fastener on that. I'm going to use a KEPS. So I'm going to need to use 2 of these. I'm going to rotate this around on the x-axis just so I can see it a little better. All right, for the fastener, we're just going to use 2 mates. We're going to begin by mating the nut to the surface, and we'll mate the center line of the nut to the center line of the screw. And that's all there is to it.